This video is a demonstration of the 1938 Philco 38-10 radio that I just recently restored. We're going to start at 550 on the AM band. It's a two-band radio. We're going to start at 550 on the AM band and work our way up, see what we receive. There's not much at the very low end of the AM band. We get a lot of interference here from TVA high tension power lines, 240,000 volts that run over my pasture, so you have to kind of excuse that. I have an outdoor antenna that minimizes the effect, but still gets some.
The newest member of the Grand Ole Opry,
That's WSM in Nashville, the Grand Ole Opry. As we move up the dial, a lot of stations.
Connect, you can honor seniors remotely with an interview about their life. Every interview will be archived at the library. WWCR now begins operations on 3.21. With donation.com.
ABC News.
De-escalation tactics, use of force. Vaccinate Americans accelerates to a faster pace.
The president's new April 19th deadline for adult vaccine sign-ups reflects plans already in place.
Sang the song of the Lamb, Yasha Na. I didn't sing this time.
I was very lucky to get this radio. Look at the condition of it. You very rarely see an old Philco like this with the finish this good. This front finish on these is what they call a photo finish. It's actually a very thin piece of paper that was printed with this whole pattern on it and then glued onto the wood. It's a false finish, and you very rarely see them in perfect condition like this.
Governor Greg Gianforte announced he's tested positive for COVID-19.
Coming up Wednesday, after seeing what the Jets got for the Sam Darnold trade, did the Rams get fleeced in the Matt Stafford deal?
Now we're up over 1600. We're getting up toward the top end of the dial. Here we're going to switch over to shortwave now and work back. Now up at this top end of the dial, you don't usually get very much. So we'll keep going.
Todos los seleccionados reciben el medicamento activo y se evalúan de forma progresiva. El directivo detalló que a los
in the
mismos
broadcast
toman muestras el día
band
0 y
between
56
15
para
and
observar la
16
respuesta
megacycles. There's 15. That's W.
1 hour, 3 minutes. Coordinated universal time.
That's WWV in Fort Collins, Colorado. And that's right at 15 megacycles. So the dial is right on.
Cuenta 5 candidatos vacunales.
That was about 14 megacycles there.
Insisten que la mejor vacuna.
Now we'll work our way down. Should find something around 12. Nothing there tonight. This is in that band around 10 megacycles.
Talking about God's discipline in our life, spiritual growth.
I don't know if we can pick up 10 megacycle WWV or not. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't.
Relocated from in-hospital areas
To ensure that there is
of operating radio shows. Everybody expressed gratitude towards Marcelo, who left us.
Psalm 34, verse 7. The angel of the Lord.
Now we're down below that band, and we won't get very much till we get down around 7 megacycles.
Promise, the angel of the Lord encampeth round about them.
Yeah, now we're down below that band.
End of all things. Remember, He is grace and truth. And when you
That's
find
about
have His
7.5 megacycles. A lot of these Bible stations on shortwave these days.
Un país que en el 2013 se declara libre de minas, viene unos años después asesoría. Se ve más como acciones para tratar de
Que a paz seja apenas uma saudação, mas
This is a hand band here. Now we're going to start getting into the lower international band here.
and quote, continuous stealing all the resources that the US Empire has supplying to them. He assures that the strategy is to outsource the conflict to
A destructive manner. And maybe he's right. I'm sure he's honest when he says that that's what he's hearing in the U.S. right now. We know how divided our neighbors to the south are. It's not a surprise to us.
Un programa dirigido y animado por la Fundación Padre Fe. y la de Miami que comienza ya.
That's Miami, Florida.
Literally in
booming
capital,
in.
which was practically the only way in and out of the country. Last week, the Undersecretary of Crime Prevention, Catherine Martorell, detailed as of this Monday and during the whole month of April, no foreigner will be able to enter Chile except for residents.
That's coming from Chile.
Que algunos le atribuyen como su tesis de grado.
The ceasefire agreement, which expired on March 31st. Russia had previously refused to renew that agreement when Ukraine began massing troops on the borders of Luhansk and Donetsk. At the time, back on March 31st, just 6 or 7 days ago, it appeared to Russia
not the same as it is in the New Testament. Being born again.
Del Partido Popular.
And so we're down at the bottom of the shortwave band, and that's a demonstration of my Philco 3810 and how it works.